I spent 2 months in Asheville, North Carolina, enjoying the Blue Ridge Parkway and the fall colors. There are many hiking and biking trails and waterfalls to explore. There are over 100 breweries in the area and music events to attend. Downtown is full of historic buildings, galleries, and museums. You can ride the historic Craggy Mountain Line trolley on weekends. I drove the Parkway south on September 22nd to see the overlooks when the leaves were still green. I drove the Parkway north on October 13th and the leaves were in full color. This is the Craggy Gardens Visitor Center. This is the top of Mount Mitchell, the little observation deck back here behind me. The clouds are kind of blowing over. Some fog. Mount Mitchell, highest peak east of the Mississippi River. I drove the Parkway again on October 22nd to see the leaves. This is Looking Glass Falls near Brevard, North Carolina. This covered bridge is above high falls. Taking a little walk down a trail today. I was on my bike about a week ago and wrecked it, so I'm a little sore and a little stiff and a little banged up, so we're just walking today. There's another member of our party. He wrecked his bike about 2 days ago. So all the mountain bikers have taken off down the trail and we're just walking down the trail and enjoying the fall colors. There's parking along the river and a bike trail that runs all along the French Broad River in South Asheville. New Belgium Brewery has a sprawling campus downtown Asheville. It's early on a weekday, but this place is hopping during the weekend, Saturdays and Sundays. It's noon right now, so they just opened. This is a public space in downtown Asheville where on Friday nights they have the drum circle.
Hope you had a good time tonight.
Oh yeah.
Great. Thank you.
You could spend all day in the River Arts District of Asheville, North Carolina, photographing all of the graffiti, visiting all of the restaurants, breweries, bike shops, galleries, everything there is to see and do in this particular part of town. This is the S&W building, which has lots of shops and restaurants inside. There's so much more to see and do in Asheville than I was able to capture. There are 3 different companies running parking operations in town. It can be expensive and hard to find. My tip is to use the free parking available at the Visitor Center at 36 Montford Avenue and at the City Lot on Marjorie Street after 5 and on weekends. You've got 3 layers of free parking right behind the Visitor Center. Plus, this is a location for the hop-on, hop-off tours. It's just a short walk across the bridge to the shopping and restaurant district in downtown Asheville. That's all for this trip.